comedy in the air, and you are definitely upwind. So what we're going to do is a tiny bit of improv. All you need to do is get close to the microphone so your friends can hear you, and use your imagination. Just picture that you are sitting in the passenger seat of a car right now, okay? You're relaxing, right? You're waiting for me. I'm going to do all the driving. You get a day off. And all you need to do are some sound effects. The more fun you have, the more fun I have. So here we go, boys and girls. Let's go on a little journey. Face them. Smile. Good. I am loading up the trunk of this car that you're sitting in. As I walk up to the front, you can hear my footsteps on the ground. They go. Why would I walk like that? Apparently I have heels on, yes. I'm coming from a drag race. All right. We get up to the front of the car, and I open up the driver's door. It goes, bang. We slam it into the car next to us. We see they have a box of Timbs in there. They didn't get us in. I still don't know what that is. I get in the car and I slam the door closed. Bang. Bang again. A few more for good measure. Bang, bang, bang. I could tell they were judgmental people just by looking at them. I get out my car keys, trying to start the engine. Apparently you're used to driving a Ford. I know, don't hold it against me. We get it started, I press the gas, we take off. There's a dog in the back seat, it's very angry. As we're driving, it starts to get warm in the car, so you roll down the window. Go ahead, roll down the window. We continue. What are you doing with this? No one under 30 has any idea. There you go. We're having a good time, aren't we? Good. Maybe tomorrow you cut the pills in half. You'll be fine. We see our destination up there, so I flip on the turn signal. It stays on for like 2 seconds, which is typical of a turn signal in Branson. Now, we pull in, I hit the brakes. We want them to know we're here. I honk the horn. I honk it a few more times for good measure. They don't respond, so we jump out of the car. You and I go running in. I'll wait for you. We are now backstage. The MC is announcing our name. We're a little behind because we vandalized the car next to us earlier. As we're standing back there, we hear them start to announce our name, right? The audience begins to cheer. What do they sound like, sir? Yay! Apparently we're performing for a group of 12-year-old girls that were served garlic during the day at some point. They actually cheer like this. Because they are here to see our tribute to Harry Houdini, a man that added danger to magic. You see, tonight, we will share that sense of danger with you.